This is so funny like Poco too.
Me too, Eric.
Like Poco too. How dare you say me too at me? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for life. Now go to upstairs to your room now.
Hi there, Eric.
You're home early, Scratch Cat.
Can I watch some TV?
Certainly, Scratch Cat.
Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9.
Oh. Eric, how dare you say because 7, 8, 9? That's it. You are grounded for 2026 days. Now go upstairs to your room now.
What? Yeah.